A lot of people always imagine that the day they will make crazy money, that somebody will come to their house, knock on the door, and be like, right, I have not been able to sleep for the past 1 week. God told me I should give you this 100 million naira. So if this is your opinion about Destiny Helper, please, this video is about changing it and showing you how you can actually meet people that will completely transform your life. Now, the next thing, and pretty much the most important one of them all, is you have to give them a good deal. I've never met anybody who wants to help me for me. Maybe my mom. But the rest of the people I've met, I gave them a very good deal. So if you're looking for someone to help you, don't just sit down and think they're going to help you just after they like you. By the way, the person I was talking about earlier that partnered with me on the business, I will make close to 2 billion. I've made profits upward of 200 million for the person, which also was a very good deal for them. So make sure that you package a deal. There's something I always do whenever I'm in a tight corner or I really need help in my business. I make a list of 100 people I should call. Then I pick my top 20. My top 20, I'm going to pay them a visit. The next 50 I'll call. The last 30 I'll text, right? And when I'm calling these people, texting and visits, but I'm not going there to say, please help me, please, you be my helper, can't you help me? I get a lot of messages of people, Mr. Bai, let me meet my target. Nobody cares about what you want. They care about what your goal can do for them. So when I go to these people, I don't start begging. No, I package a deal for them. I'm like, okay, so I need you to give me 100 million, because if you give me 100 million, I'll give you back 150 million within 12 months, within 15 months. That's a deal. Now, they giving me the 100 million is not because they want to help me, it's because they want to help themselves. The last time I had to raise money, I didn't even call up to 5 people, and I was able to raise 140 million. Just a couple of calls. And these people are making crazy money from that deal. And that is why it was that easy for me to do. Because now I have reputation, I have history, I have projects, I have works I've done. So they trust me. So now when I call them again and say, hey, I have another offer, they are more willing to give me money again. You need to build trust. Always keep your word. Now, when I first started, I remember the first fundraiser I did. I raised about 1 million from 2 people to put on a deal. I paid them back on time, and one of the people from that 2 million, he bought 300,000 on that first deal. A year or 2 later, I reached out to him and I was able to raise 10 million from him. Then I delivered on that 10 million. Then the next time I called him, I was able to raise 40 million from him. And this thing took years. But because I consistently kept my word, I consistently delivered, they trust me more to give me more money. Now, you cannot go around defrauding people and be shocked that nobody wants to give you money, that nobody trusts you. You have to start small when it comes to trust. You ask for small, you deliver, then you ask for more. I always make sure that whenever I borrow money from somebody, no matter how small, no matter how close we are, I pay back on time. Even if it's 100K, pay it back. I know a lot of people that they will borrow money because the person is not on your neck, you will not pay back. And you think you've gotten away with it. But next week, next year, next 2 years, you will need money again. You have the audacity to reach out to that same person and ask for money, and you expect them to give you. Why? You've lost trust. The way it works is you have to build trust step by step. So if you tell someone that give me this amount of money, I'm going to do this, do it. Because next time when you need it, they will listen to you. If you want to make a lot of money, be prepared to work for people. My entire life, all I do is work for people. I run my own business, but my business is to help other people. I make a lot of money from my investors. I make a lot of money from even my employees and every other person around me. And because I make so much money from people around me, they want to stay around me. Because they know if you're around me, you make money. If you go, you might not make as much. And that's why people want to work with you. So you have to be prepared to build trust by keeping your word and creating value for other people. Nothing comes without a price. If you want someone to give you that money or give you that value that you need to climb up, you need to create value for them. Now, with this video, I'm sure you'll be able to understand how to network with people and get the necessary materials you need to move to the next level. We currently run a channel where we train people how to build their business. We talk on a lot of topics. If you check here, you see one of our videos that we did. Like, subscribe if you like it. If you enjoyed today's topic, like, subscribe so you can get our next video when it's out. Thank you very much. I'm Bright Okereke. I'll see you in the next video.